Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about conjunctions. Topic is conjunctions, and this is, as you know, this is advanced English grammar course. And we are at topic number 5, and there are more than 27 common grammar topics in my course, common and very important. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help others. And subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? These are words that are used to join other words, phrases or clauses. These are called conjunctions. Usually they can be used to make compound sentences. There are 7 conjunctions in English. There are only 7 conjunctions in English, and these are: first one is for. Let's start with for. Fanboys. We use fanboys, word fanboys, to remember them. Fan, F with for. First conjunction is for, second is and, third is nor. For is used to present a reason or rationale. For reason, for. And to add similar things or points. Nor to present similar or non-contrasting ideas, but to present a contrast or exception. But or to give it's used to give an alternative idea or item. Yet is used to present an amazing or surprise. This is contrast, or it can be a contrast or exception. So a used, it shows consequence of something or some idea. So just to as I told you earlier, just to remember, we use fanboys. F for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. How to use conjunctions? Let us see. Mr. Che is a doctor and a teacher. Now it is used to join two nouns, doctor and teacher. Mr. Che is a doctor and a teacher, used to join two nouns. Mr. Che is a doctor. This is a simple sentence. And second sentence is Mr. Che teaches English. This is second simple sentence. These are two simple sentences, and we can join them with a conjunction to make a compound sentence. What is the relationship? So to make them a compound sentence, we need to use conjunction, and we need to decide what conjunction we will use here in each sentence. So as the relation between them is, he is a doctor, but nowadays he teaches English. Now my idea is to use something this is a bit opposite thing, a bit different thing. The Mr. Che is a doctor, but nowadays he teaches English. This is a compound sentence. If ideas are same, we use and. Mr. Smith is a teacher. He writes IELTS exams. Now look. Mr. Smith is a teacher and he writes IELTS exams. Now it is a compound. These are two simple sentences. Now they are joined together to make a compound sentence. These are same ideas, we use and. These, if they're opposite ideas, we use but. Dr. Che told me to eat balanced food. To eat balanced food. but I don't care. Okay, now these are opposite, so we have used but. These are compound sentences. Punctuation rules. Punctuation rules are very important with compound sentences and with the conjunctions. So first one is when there are two main clauses, when there are two main clauses and two main subjects and two subjects, then we need to use a comma before coordinating conjunctions. Mr. Smith is a teacher and he writes IELTS exams. There are two clauses. This is one clause, this is clause number 2, and there are two separate subjects for each clause. This is subject for this clause and the he is a subject for second clause. If there is a subject for two separate clauses, we use a conjunction to join these sentences. We use comma and then conjunction and then second clause. Okay, and the next is when there is only one subject for both clauses of phrases, we don't use comma before coordinating conjunction. Mr. Smith is a teacher and writes IELTS exams. We are not using he here. These are only one subject. Mr. Smith is a teacher and he writes IELTS exam. We don't use comma in this situation. So the next is we don't start a sentence with the conjunction. We don't start a sentence with the coordinating conjunction. Never. Except when it is informal writing. When we use them to make compound sentences, they usually come in the center of the sentence. Inversion after nor. As you know, one of the conjunction is nor. Fanboys. F is for A for and N for nor. Inversion after nor. Remember, after nor we use inversion. If you don't know what is inversion, there is a separate class on this topic. So I will tell you what is inversion. My younger son doesn't eat bananas. My younger son doesn't like orange. These are two negative sentences. He doesn't eat bananas, and my younger son doesn't like orange. Now look at this. Looks very awkward if you use in your writing something like that. This is not advanced level, this is basic level. So if there are negatives in both sentences, we can join them with nor. My younger son doesn't eat bananas, nor does he likes oranges. No, the first sentence is same. My younger son doesn't eat bananas. Like same. My younger son doesn't eat bananas. So at the second sentence we used comma to make a compound sentence, nor, then a conjunction nor. Then normally if we use but or jet, and then we say but he likes orange and he likes orange, something like that. But with nor we use inversion. Inversion is like a question. Nor does he likes orange, nor does he like oranges. So we used inversion in this form. Exception: we usually cannot start a sentence with a coordinating conjunction, but in an informal writing, like informal letter writing in IELTS or in any other informal writing, we can start a sentence with conjunctions. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading courses. Thank you very much. Thank you.